Hey, what's going on? So we're continuing on to this Ghost build. I just wanted to jump in real quick. It's 5:52. Just wanted to show you a quick update on what we have for that Ghost project. We're going to jump back over here. So we're going to share mine, but we're going to go to this Ghost agent. Okay. So check this out. We're going to jump here. Let's close you down. Let's throw you down there and minimize. All right, so jumping over here, it's pretty cool. So when I left off earlier, we were just talking about operate like an F1 pit crew and make it happen. We need precision, we need excellence, and to generate revenue. Okay, so boom, it came up with all of our Ghost information. I said I haven't seen any new content post in a while. The system figured out why. We had our tokens. I showed you what those were earlier. Just in case you don't remember, it's paperclip. When you're in your railway, your paperclip, and you're adding your variables, because variables is what makes our agent files operate. We got all our tokens in there. Let's see. And it committed a bunch of stuff. So let's see over here. I said trigger. All right. If you want, I can run immediate post deploy validation. Next, and so I put check live logs. I said trigger a manual publish drain now. I said drone now, but so what it did was it found a production URL, not found, needs the authorization header. Let me grab API key from Railway, so I grabbed that. Only 5 routes are live. Railway must be running a different endpoint, and found that. Let's see. 5 posts published, 0 failures. So this is the output of what we did earlier, live on Ghost right now. So we're gonna jump back. This is what is in Calling Digital, helps North Texas. We went through this on the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's pretty cool. This one even has an image. I guess I didn't do those as a matter of fact, because look, it even has the right date. So 7th of April, 7th of April. Let's just jump into this. How a Dallas roofing company 3x'd leads without increasing ad spend. Show how Calling Digital's hyper-localized ad targeting, AI-driven lead scoring saved cost and boosted conversions. Download our 5 Gen lead hacks for local services business PDS. Link to lead magnet. Now, I wish that was true, right? I don't even know where this is at, but that's okay. We're learning as we go. So over here, I said those degenerate. I didn't mean that. Those did generate, which is freaking amazing. Can we also add some strategic guardrails and blog frames to them, such as using your SEO skills, writing these precise links, precise keywords that get found and drive traffic to use to book calls to sell digital marketing products along with AI implementation services. What topic is being written on also? So the system went back and traced the generation path, found Sophia's agent file. So Sophia is the marketer. Let's see. I got current topics and live SEOs. I'm making 2 focus changes, clickable links and Ghost output, and a stricter Sophia brief with target keyword clusters, internal link rules, and CTA destination tied to real service pages and strategy link call. Prompt and publisher are updated. I have the guardrail in place, validating Python. They'll ship to Railway, so tomorrow's run. Yes, I added guardrails and deployed them. So Sophia now has stricter editorial brief. that forces each blog to include 1 explicit topic, 1 primary keyword, 2 to 4 secondary keyword search intent, 2 to 3 approved. Ghost Publishing now returns raw URLs. The changes are pushed and deployed. What topic Sophia writing on now? Based on new brief. Boom, boom. If you want, I can do one of these next. So let's also. And I just added the Flux image to Ghost Publish. Trigger Sophia manually right now and inspect the next batch of topics before they published. All right. Actually, we're just going to roll. Add an even tighter keyword map by service line so each day targets deliberate. Add internal link, actually. We're going to do all 3. Do all 3 like a well-ran pit wall, comma. We must always remember to drive revenue. And these blogs must be the length that are required for maximum exposure, awareness, and conversion. If that's 1,000 words, great. 2,000, 3,000. Research what works. Boom. All right. So this quick 10-minute video literally was just to show you that this is working. So it's working, but of course it's broken. Reply AI to schedule. These look like actually these look more like a social media post, but hey, we made it a step further than we were before we started. So if you enjoyed this, like this video, share the content, join in, email me. This specific channel is for this email address is salesdroid@buildagentempire.com, and you could join our school group. But whichever way you find us, it looks it'd be fun. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Let's take a look real quick. We're just gonna see if we are gaining any updates. All right, what is this about cookies? I'm turning this into a full operating change. This looks like it is jumping into other links and fetching links for that's SEO guided principles. Neil Patel, how long? Oh, this is researching. This it's doing the research for us basically. Yeah, it's reading through blog draft production, so it's doing the work for us. This one says, I think I should modify the task to ensure at least one full blog draft of 1,600 to 2,400 words. I mean, this one, this one had like, what is that, like 20 words? AI isn't replacing your team, it's making them faster. Sometimes these are too fun. Like I'm gonna also show you the social media post. This one is my personal LinkedIn, but it had some funny, let me see if it still has a, oh, there you go, like this one. Test post. And people are liking them. That's even the best part. Like, people are still liking them. Of course, I'm going to delete them because it's just silly. But these ones right here were test posts too. Look at that. Small businesses. Small businesses in Dallas are growing. So I'm going to show you also how to have your agents create social media posts. Yeah, they're not going to be, they'll be this ugly, but we'll fix them. All right, let's see what we got over here. I have the exact Sophia block. So Sophia, they're still working that out. I wanted to show you before I headed out, but it doesn't look like it's going to be done in time. Oh, look at this one. I'm upgrading Sophia from idea generator to a more deterministic revenue content operator. Keyword, city clusters, anchor text to page mapping, and explicit long form ranges by intent are going into the prompt now. So generated patch and app.py. app.py is major. We did have a block over here. Look, the edit tool is blocked, so I'm switching to the exact file replacements. I need the surrounding code to land the new help block in Sophia rewrite cleanly. All right, cool. I mean, it really just says it did it. The prompt system is ready. I'm shipping it now. Then I'll trigger the live content run and inspect the newly queued calling digital topics and draft outputs before anything auto publishes. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I am signing off on this one if I can figure out where to do that. Closed it out.